Okay, we are on the Jewel of the Sea, interior room 8569. We're getting ready to go in and take our first look.
Well, we need a key to get in.
Okay, and as we come in, directly to the left is your closet area with life jackets, with our luggage already in it. So that is the storage area, little dresser area with mirror, a couple shelves, a couple drawers. Let's see, a little refrigerator, smaller TV, safe, a lot of mirrors at the dresser area, nice sized bed with a lot of area down each side, a couch big enough for 2 people, a little table. So for an older ship and an interior room, it's not too bad. And the bathroom is typical cruise ship bathroom. Shower with the doors that close and curved, so you got plenty of room. And it looks like we have the all-in-one shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So that's tough. I don't know which one to use first. So overall, nice room.